Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings. Now scroll down to the very bottom to System and Updates and tap on Reset option. As you can see at the top we've got a Reset all settings, and here we've got also the information that your device will reset the settings, including the network settings, fingerprints, face recognition data and a lock screen password. So basically everything, excluding the documents and data connected with them, which simply means that it is like a software version of factory reset. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset All Settings. Of course, you will have to confirm it if you've got the screen lock. We've got the information that your device probably will need a restart option, but that's okay, no worries. And the action cannot be undone. So obviously, just tap on Reset, and basically all you have to do right now is to wait until your device will finish resetting all settings. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to reset all settings in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.